My whole lip is going down in the H-Town. It's your boy TRILLGANG waving. I'm back with another video. So yes sir, we finally got the first mod. But before we get to it and all that, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to TRILLGANG, man. To all my returning subscribers. I fuck with y'all, I love y'all and everything, you know what I'm saying? Y'all family, you feel me? We family over here, you know what I'm saying? We is a family. And we treat family with respect, so I love every one of y'all, you know what I'm saying? And if you're new to this channel, man, go ahead, man, like this video. Comment below, man. Make sure you click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you'll miss none of my videos going forward. And also, right up here, follow me on social media. And up here, I will drop a video of one of my latest videos so you know what my channel is all about. So, my last video, obviously, I bought a 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer. That's going to be the project car for the channel. So I bought my first mod. And here it is. Some LED lights. Some LED lights for the, for the Lancer. For the headlights. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. I don't know who's buying some off brand, or hopefully they work. I don't know. So we got the product introduction. Wait, what? We got, okay, it comes with an app, so if y'all interested, I will drop it in link in the description. I will drop it below. Y'all know what I mean. Shit, I'm fucking up. Oh well. Cut! Yes, it has an app that comes with it, so. Alrighty, what the fuck? Ah, okay, that's for the ballast. So, we got these two rings here. Here's the actual lights. Here's the actual lights. And then here's the Bluetooth controller and what powers the lights. And here's the connectors right here. So, and then it has the instructions right here. So, let's go ahead and head outside. Alright, y'all, so we're outside. Yeah, I gotta clean that before I go to this meet this weekend. Of course, I'm gonna give y'all that footage. So I got the lights here. Here's what the lights look like. That's one of them at least. But yeah, I gotta install it right there. So I need to install that one right there. And the other one is right there. So, after I install these, I will show y'all. Put like a tripod right here. My camera is at Sony being fixed right now, so I'm using my phone. But on the next video, when I do have my camera, I'm gonna show y'all how to use the app and this, that, and the third, and all that. So this is just, a quick video. So sorry I can't show y'all me installing it and all that stuff. So next time, next scene, y'all see the lights. Alright, y'all, so sorry for the background noise, but that's what the lights look like. Y'all better look. Yes sir, that's what the lights look like. So, we getting there, you know what I'm saying? That's what they look like. And once I get my camera back from Sony, I'm gonna go into details about it and all that. But I'm gonna drop the link in the description below. So without further ado, this is the end of the video. So go ahead, man. Like, comment, and subscribe below, man. This your boy TRILLGANG Wavy, and I'm Mike. Deuces.